Good morning, students. Today we will read chapter number 16 of our English literature book. The name of the chapter is The Cake That Grows. Have you ever seen a cake that grows? No, even I haven't seen the cake that grows because cake doesn't grow. So let's start the chapter and find out what type of cake is this and how it grows. Mona always finds something to do at Granny's place. One day, she is digging in the garden with a stick. Hello, says the dog. What are you doing? So, like whenever you go to your Nani's house, Dadi's house, you find something interesting to do. Likewise, Mona always finds something to do at Granny's place. One day, she is digging in the garden with a stick. Hello, says the dog. What are you doing? And the dog comes and asks Mona, what are you doing? I am making a cake, says Mona. I need some flour. The dog hits the pile of dirt with its paw. So, dog hits the pile. Pile means a collection of dirt with its paw, and paw is the this part of dog's legs and hands is called paw. So dog hits the pile of dirt with its paw. This is very good flour, says Mona. And what is flour? Flour is maida. Whenever your mother bakes cake, she needs flour to bake the cake. On the next page, the dog sits down to watch Mona work. Dog sits beside Mona to see her working, to watch Mona work. Hello, cows the rooster. What are you doing? Rooster is cock. So now rooster comes and asks Mona, what are you doing? I am making a cake, says Mona. I need some sugar. She also tells Rooster that I am making a cake. Now what she will be needing? She will need some sugar to bake the cake. The rooster picks up a small stone in its beak, drops it and picks up another and again drops it. So rooster picks up small stone. So Mona consider small stone as sugar. That is very good sugar, says Mona. The rooster also sits down to see Mona work. And now Rooster also sits down to see Mona work. Hello, says Granny. Now who comes? Granny comes and asks Mona, what are you doing? I am making a cake, says Mona. I need some raisins. So Mona tells her Granny that I am making a cake. Now I need some raisins. And now can you tell me what are raisins? Raisins are kishmish. Whenever your mother cooks rice pudding means kheer, she puts raisins in that. Granny picks one of last year's bean pods and opens it up. Inside the long brown pot are 5 shiny fat beans. Granny picks up one of last year's bean pod. So, what is pod? Pod is something in which the beans are kept. So, Granny picks one of last year's bean pod and opens it up. Inside the long brown pot, there are 5 shiny fat beans. They must be kidney beans, rajma. Mona looks at the beans in her hand and takes them. They are very good raisins, she says. All I need now is some milk. So, what she will need now? She will need some milk. So, pick up the tin, says Rennie, and let me turn on the tap for you. Pick up that tin and let me turn on the tap for you. The tap, so Granny on the tap, turn the tap on, and water fills right up to the rim of the jam tin. Whoosh, the water fills right up to the rim of the jam tin. Rim is something that rim is the edge of something, edge of glass, edge of bottle. So rim is edge of a jam bottle. So water fills right up to the rim of the jam tin. Mona pours some water into the hole. Mona takes out some mud, sugar, mud from the some mud from the bottom of the hole, and she puts it and rolls it in her flour and sugar. She kneads it and punches it, just like Granny does while making a cake, because Mona has seen her granny making or baking a cake, so she does exactly like her granny. She pours some water, she takes some flour and sugar, and she kneads and punches it. Now it is just right, she says. All I need is something to bake it in. So whenever we bake cake, we need a box in which we pour the um, cake batter. So now she will also need something to bake the cake in. Will this do? Asked Granny, coming out of the house with a shoebox. Now what Granny does? Granny takes brings a shoe box. Whenever we buy shoe from the market, the shoes come in the shoe box. So Granny brings the shoe box and asks Mona, will this do? That is a very good cake tin, says Mona, lifting it, putting the mixture into the shoe box and patting it down. So she takes the shoe box and putting the mixture into the shoe box and patting it down. Then she remembers the raisins. So when we bake a cake, we decorate the cake with almonds and raisins. So likewise, Mona also uh, takes raisins. She remembers the raisins, means the beans are lying on the ground. She picks them up and pokes them 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 into the cake. So can you tell me how many things, what all the things Mona has used till now? She has used flour. So she considered mud to be flour, and she considered small stones as sugar, and she considered water as milk, and she considered raisins to be she considered beans to be raisins. Turn the page. Mona leaves a cake in a sunny corner of the garden and then forgets about it. So, like your mother, whenever your mother bakes cake, she bakes cake in the oven or in the microwave. So, likewise, Mona leaves her cake in a sunny corner and forgets about it. A few days went by. One day, she is helping Granny to clean the garden when she nearly falls over something. It is her cake. She saw that cake that she has made few days back. But there are some green things sticking through it. What are those? Those are the little small plants. Granny, She calls Granny. My cake has got candles. How many? Asks Granny. 1, 2, 3, 4. Mona counts, and here is another just coming up. 5 candles. My cake has got 5 candles, Granny. So, what are those candles? Those candles are climbers. What are climbers? Climbers are plants. Those need support to grow. You must have read about these plants when you were in first standard. So Granny finds a long stick and pokes it into Mona's cake. You can see here. Then she brings some strings and ties the green things together at the top like a tent. So then she brings some thread. Strings means thread, and she ties the green things together. Now she says, your cake has something to grow on. Every day Mona watches those candles grow. Those candles means those climbers, those plants. Leaves come out from them like green umbrellas. So leaves coming out from those climbers look like green umbrellas. There are some rainy days and Mona has to stay inside. So when it is raining, we have to stay inside. So Mona has to stay inside. When she looks at her cake again, the five green candles are as high as her chin. There are five red flowers on it. One, two, three, four, five. By Christmas, the candles are as tall as Granny. So when the Christmas arrives, now the climbers are as tall as Granny. Then there are beans to pick for dinner, long and shiny ones, as good as any beans in the market. So now those climbers have beans on them. They picked beans for dinner. They are long and shiny ones. So I hope you understood the chapter. This is the story of Mona who copies her granny. She pretends that she is making a cake, and who all helped Mona to bake the cake, to make the cake. Her doggy, her rooster, and her granny helped her to make a cake. And this is the different kind of cake. This is a mud cake. So, read this chapter once by your own. Bye.